Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a pair of truly wireless earbuds which only come in at $25. I saw this in the store and said, you know what, I have to pick them up, give them a try, and see how they do compared to other ones. So today we have the Skullcandy Jib truly wireless earbuds. Now let's start off with what you get inside the box. Once you open the box, you get the earbud case with the earbuds themselves. You get some extra ear tips with a micro USB charging cable, and you get some user manuals and guides. Pretty simple. Now moving on to the design of these earbuds, and let's start off with the case. The case is fully made out of plastic. At this price point, it's pretty expected. On the top, you do have a subtle Skullcandy logo, and on the front, you do have one LED light indicator to indicate the charge of the case. Now, personally, I would have liked to seen a few more LED lights just to let me know what percentage the case is at, but I guess I can't ask for too much. And on the back, you do have a micro USB port. I would have liked to seen a USB Type-C, but then again, there's not much we can do. Now, when it comes to the battery life of these earbuds, you have 6 hours in the earbuds themselves and 16 hours in the case, totaling 22 hours, which is a lot of hours if you think about it. Personally, when I tested it, I was able to get 4 or 5 hours of listening time per charge, but that's because I listen to music at a very high volume. Now, the one thing about this case which I really do like is the satisfying close sound that it has, and that is something that's very important to me. If a case doesn't feel nice closing it, then there's no point of even having the case in my opinion. AirPods do a very good job, and these do a very good job as well. And the thing that surprised me the most was that it was a pretty sturdy close. That's not something I expected at all from this earbud. Now moving on to the earbuds themselves, that's when it becomes a little bit of a different story. Design-wise, they each do have an LED light indicator on them to show when they're charging, when they're charged, and when they're connecting. They each also do have a microphone built in on them, just in case you want to use one earbud and still be able to take calls. But the one thing about these earbuds which I personally am not a big fan of is its size. It looks almost like big olives in your ears, and that's pretty much the best way to describe them because they're pretty chonky. Now myself, when I wear truly wireless earbuds, I really like it when they're subtle, small, sleek, just to make it more uniform overall. But with these, I will say that they do stand out a bit. Now the earbuds themselves also do have a few features, and they do have your classic play pause, forward track, backwards track, and they also do have volume up, volume down, which is activated with 2 clicks. That was a good surprise that I saw on these earbuds because I know a lot of other truly wireless earbuds do not have the functionality of bringing your volume up or bringing your volume down. The one problem though is that if you are only using one earbud, you can only bring the volume up if it's the right one, and if you're using the other earbud, you can only bring it down, which you'll win some, you'll lose some. Now that is also the exact same issue that I had with the Indie truly wireless earbuds. So I guess this is a common trend when it comes to Skullcandy earbuds. Now the best way to describe the sound quality is that it's fine in the sense that I was not wowed whatsoever about the sound quality, nor was I disappointed in any sense. It's pretty much what was expected at this price point. They did deliver a bit more when it comes to the bass because I was able to feel the bass rather than hear the bass. But aside from that, they do the job just fine, and it's pretty much exactly what you would want if you're buying a $25 pair of earbuds. With that being said, if you stuck around till the end of the video, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated, and it genuinely helps the channel grow day by day. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.